How to fix Slack not working. So if you're trying to jump into work, but Slack is completely frozen, refusing to send your messages, or showing a dreaded connection error screen, it can throw your whole day off track. I'm going to walk you through the fastest step-by-step fixes to get your workspace back and up and running in this video. Right, so before tweaking any settings, guys, let's make sure that it's not the problem on the Slack's end. Open up your browser and then type in Slack status. Go to this system status and make sure that all systems are operational. So in our case, what do we have? Up and running, green check mark. Does not seem to be any outages. So this means that we are green lights. And also, guys, check your network environment. If you're on a corporate VPN or public Wi-Fi, turn it off temporarily or disconnect third-party ad blockers, as these often block Slack's real-time WebSocket connection channels. Okay, and if your internet is fine, a corrupted temporary cache file is usually blocking your connection. So if you want to clear it, and you should, hover your mouse over the left toolbar right here on these three lines. After that, go to Help, Troubleshooting, and then click Clear Cache and Restart, like this. And the app will restart, clearing that cache and temporary files, and this will actually pretty much force a fresh connection. Need to send a message right this second. Don't waste time troubleshooting while your team is waiting. So you can just open up your Slack on Chrome, right? So for that, you just type in Slack web. You go to login, right? I will use, for example, Google. All right, you log in, open it up. Then you choose, use Slack in your browser. And there you go, bingo, no need for the app, just use it here. And the last resort is, of course, downloading Slack freshly. Slack download, type this in your browser, download it for your Windows or Mac, and start cleanly. Don't forget to uninstall the previous version as well. That is it. Enjoy. Hopefully some of these fixes help, and thank you.